Hi, I am Akshat Srivastava and I have just finished my second semester in BTech Mechanical Engineering from IIT BHU. IIT BHU. Let's start from history. In the oldest city in world, there resides one of the oldest institute or universities in India, BHU. It all started in 1919 with the establishment of BENCO, Banaras Engineering College, and in 1968 all the engineering colleges in BHU were combined and named under ITBHU. And in 1970, ITBHU started taking admission from that time equivalent of JEE Advanced, just like any other IIT. And fast forward to 2012, ITBHU was converted to IITBHU. It all started in 1919 with just 75 students and 2 hostels and 2 departments. And now IITBHU have more than 6,000 students and 15 departments. Some hostels are so legendary, they have seen World War II and post-independence India. Heard about TechFest and Mood Indigo of IIT Bombay? Well, Technex at IIT BHU started in 1940s, 18 years earlier than IIT Bombay was founded. Being this legendary and old institute, IIT BHU has one of the strongest alumni base. We have alumni like Jay Chaudhary, the richest IITian and CEO at Zscaler, Nikesh Arora, ex-senior executive at Google and current CEO at Palo Alto, Deepak Ahuja, ex-CFO at Tesla. We have alumni in basically every field possible. Have you heard about Ye Moh Moh Ke Dhage song? Well, it won the Best Lyrics Award and was written by Varun Grover, who of course was our alumni. EdTech in India is booming, right? Well, NV sir, Bansal sir, Prateek Maheshwari, co-founder of Physics Wala, all are our alums. Enough of past, let's come to present. IIT BHU was given 15th NIRF rank in 2023, which is quite low, but as we all know, NIRF is not to be trusted. Personally, I feel like you can put IIT BHU at par with IIT Roorkee and IIT Guwahati. IIT BHU have some of the most unique departments you may have heard of, like ceramic engineering and pharmaceutical engineering. Placement wise, IIT BHU has been considered among top 5 IITs. This is the placement report of IIT BHU of 2023, and every branch had an average of around 20 LPA. And placement wise, there is no low branch in IIT BHU. Even branches like ceramic had an highest package of 1 crore 15 lakhs per annum. There is truly no low branch in IIT BHU. Remember Mr. Deepak Ahuja, ex-CFO at Tesla? He was alumni of ceramic department. And Mr. Rajiv Raghuvanshi, the current drug controller of India, is alumni of pharmaceutical department. IIT BHU is located inside the main campus of BHU, which is of 1300 acres. And inside BHU, IIT BHU has its own 450 acres of campus. And it's an open campus, which means you can roam in BHU and Banaras without any restrictions. But it also means anyone from outside can also roam in your campus without any restrictions. And this technically makes your campus to be 1300 acres because you can just use all the grounds and libraries of BHU. So your effective campus size is 1300 acres. You also have a tourist spot inside the campus, the new Vishwanath temple. Now, having open campus and a tourist spot inside campus have some negatives, like some road inside the campus are sometimes a bit crowded. IIT BHU also have a very strong club culture. Not that club for learning purposes. It has everything from business club, robotics club, COPS, which stand for Club of Programmers, FMC, Film and Media Council, Aero Modeling Club, Dance Club, everything you can think of. We also have a social welfare club by the name of Kashi Utkarsh, and nearly every weekend they go out in a nearby village in Banaras to teach the students there. Sports facility. We have everything from taekwondo to squash to yoga. For fest, IIT BHU have 4 main fests: Kashi Yatra, Technex, FMC Weekend and Spardha. Kashi Yatra being the cultural fest, Technex being the techno management fest, Spardha being the sport fest, and FMC Weekend being the film and media council fest. Apart from these, every department in IIT BHU has its separate own fest. So the campus is just really happening. For extras, we have a supercomputer inside the campus by the name of Param Shivai. DRDO have recently set up its Center of Excellence inside the campus, and it's an ragging free campus, and seniors just want to teach you stuff to carry on the legacy of college. I hope by means of this video you got a clear information about IIT BHU, and this video will make your decision of selecting a college a bit easier. Bye bye.